I'm getting some vacuum cleaners for all my customers. Great deal. They're open box, but nothing wrong. They work really good. I put some vacuums in some customers' pools, and they work great. Some of them come in the boxes like this. Let me show you. Like this, they come in the box. So open box, great deal. Let me know if you're interested. It's MX8, MX6, the Polaris Max, this one, Max. Let me know. I'm gonna put the prices in the description, and these are mainly for Henderson. If you live here in Henderson or Las Vegas, I mean, I could actually deliver for like 20 bucks or something, take it to your house. And so let me know, check out the description and the pricing, and let me know.